There's been a ton of activity globally for entrepreneurs. Through the Techstars lens, we've hosted many accelerators all across the globe. The partnership with USC is absolutely groundbreaking and a blueprint for universities. It's better with the two of us working side by side.
We developed a relationship with Techstars because we were involved with several research proposals where we needed a partner to facilitate the commercialization of USC intellectual property and the spinning out of companies. And Techstars is a natural leader in this space.
Techstar has a formula and a way of doing things that has been successful. That's why most of these companies partner with universities or look to acquire intellectual properties from these universities, right? There's so much of it that has value.
Techstars and USC, we're here. You may be here because you've got an idea that you want to pitch. You may be here because you have a skill set that you want to help grow an idea for. You might even be here just to be like, I know I need to grow skill sets to be able to help future ideas. All of those roles are vital to startups.
The advantage of this partnership is that we tap into a network and we also have access to talent. And the basis of innovation is collaboration because it allows you to think outside the box.
The program that we're working on with Techstars has multiple components. There's a part of it where we just identify specific companies and give them funds, and then they go through a competitive process, and then they start building their business model and raising capital. Other parts are really focused on changing the culture at USC, evolving our culture.
Our aim is really to cultivate a community in which your ideas can thrive, and that you've got a support network that can help you at every stage of that idea. It's been wonderful to be able to help founders grow their startup and see what comes out of just giving founders tools to be able to accelerate their programs.
Techstars has thought of everything, really. And knowing that the startup world is not just the tech space. There's a lot of other industries that Techstars, USC, the whole world could benefit from.
What separates Techstars, it's really the culture. There's a culture of servitude. It's actually a really powerful blueprint for life, not just for building companies and helping other people build their companies.
You may start at a startup weekend and then suddenly you're in our Founder Catalyst program, which is our pre-accelerator. And then suddenly you're in our accelerator and you're getting investment. So we're actually able to watch these founders move forward in their business.
What is important about the partnership with the University of Southern California is that they are seeing that meeting founders where they are is necessary in order to really build the momentum of a startup ecosystem.
We're approaching this in a different way where we can bring together not only students and faculty and alumni from those schools that have developed programs, but all of the other programs at USC. So the idea is to really promote interdisciplinary research with sort of a cross-fertilization.
I hope that during the course of this weekend you had some amazing experiences in entrepreneurship. But the whole point of Startup Weekend is this to be a laboratory for you to experience what entrepreneurship is about.
At some point that startup becomes successful, it will need additional talent. And the network that's provided to us through the partnership allows us to tap into that talent.